Talk tayo guys, let's talk to each other. Oh, yan sarap. Si Dutch, ito ay kaklase ng kapatid ko. Dutch, Becky naman, i-heart natin to. I-heart natin to, guys. Let's heart it multiple times. Oh my God! Alam mo, nahiya na tuloy ako kasi babae. Tuloy ako. Hindi kasi kaklase ng kapatid ko ng high school. Tapos borta na siya ngayon. Would you like me to show you his body? Here he is. His body is very delicious. Look at him, he's so handsome. I had a crush on him, but I can tell because he's my sister classmate. Look at him, look at his legs. Hindi, kaibigan ko, tropa natin to. Sabay bawi, no? Yawa! Alam mo yung kape na may mga ganyan itim-itim na inom ko, ang sakit pala sa lalamunan? Ciao guys, for today's video. CJ, ano na, Bray? Oh, landiin mo na si CJ. Look at him, he's so cute. Ay, here he is. He's so cute. Oh, Yamate. Oh, so cute. Oh, yum. You know what to do with a big butt. Oh, big butt hole talaga. Ala, Bisaya. Bahog bisung. Bakit yung mga nagko-comment at nagfa-follow sa akin, nagtatago? So, private person. People pala. Dami nyo pala eh. Mga 3 million kayong viewers ko eh. Nagtatago kayo. Diba? You created a Facebook without using it. Then, what's the sense of having a Facebook? Then, why not utilize it? Diba? Facebook, it's all about bragging. Facebook is no longer about communication sa family mo, but it's all about bragging now. That's how the Facebook works today. So if you're creating a Facebook, make sure that you are prepared to be a social person, like brag all about what you have, curate some good story for yourself, picture perfect dinner, like picturesque travel, photos. It's about bragging rights, no longer about hiding your identity. No, it's because you're just using it for your family communication. It's no longer about like that. Facebook is all about bragging today, like Instagram. So, na-miss ko talaga ang Instagram before na about diary. Gumaya ko yung sa akin, mayabang. Mayabang lang, walang pera. The kind of Facebook before, like 10 years ago, wherein you can play Farmville. You can even give the password to your friends and let them play with your Farmville. That was before when I was in college. But now, look at Facebook. What happened to Facebook recently? It's all about bragging. It's all about posting your curated stories, your pictures, travel, perfect dinner. The story behind it, very curated. Hindi siya totoo. So that's how Facebook works today. So pag nag-create ka ng Facebook, ipagmayabang mo na yan. Ganon! Before, the reason why I went to gym para to have this sexy body yadi to brag outside sa Facebook, outside the Facebook world. Yun naman hindi siya yung tipong kaya ako Facebook para ma-communicate yung family ko. No, dati yon para sa mga college nga, para makapag-chat ako sa mga kaibigan ko. Ganun dati. Pero Facebook kasi ngayon payabangan na eh. The more yabang, the more fun in the Philippines. Ganun siya. Tinanggalan ako ng kita sa YouTube, so over the backod ako. Nandito na ako sa Facebook gaming world. Nandito na ako nag-iingay, nagkakalat. Kasi biruin nyo naman kung halimbawa nasa Twitter ako, nag-post na ako ng mga hubot-hubad kong edits or mga betlog ko dun. So, which is I'm not against to those who are adult content creator ha. Kasi nga, proud ako sa kanila. I mean, I'm not against with them. Kasi nga, it takes courage para mag-post ka ng betlog sa online, diba? Pero yung iba kasi nakatakip yung mukha, diba? Nahiya pa sila kasi maybe they have their own private lives. Medyo reserve pa sila, ganyan. Pero laki ng kita ng mga laki ng kita ng mga content creators sa Twitter na pinupost sa Telegram, nagbebenta ng mga mahubot-hubag larawan. My God! Yung mga matatanda nagsasabi na immoral. No! Wala na tayo. It's not all about moral compass nowadays. It's all about how you survive this pandemic, this scarcity of resources, how you survive this fast-pacing lifestyle in Manila na kung wala kang pera, mamamatay ka, kaya maghubad na lang tayo. Ganon. So, I'm not against with those content creator na adult yung kinokontent nila sa Twitter kasi nga follower din ako. Aminin man natin or hindi, ang hirap mag-alter account sa Twitter ha, kasi nga kahit takpan ko yung mukha ko or magmaskara man ako, ang hirap niya kasi nga makikita yung dreadlocks ko, sabi, si Jonathan yan eh. Twitter.com manalo yung bottom 101. Ganyan yung username ko halimbawa. Tapos nakatakip ako ng mukha, tapos nakamaskara ako or whatever just to hide my identity and then makikita yung ano ko ganito. Wala na, ako na yun. Nandalo yung dreadlocks, wala na. Bilig pa nga ako sa kanila ha. Again, it takes courage and dedication. Dedication kasi nga 'di ba? Ang hirap kayo mag-create ng content tapos maghubad-hubad kang ganon. Meron na kay Kapuso Jessica Soho dati na parang artista siya, so nag-adult content creator siya, and then he was even buy or able to buy car or parang rented his own condo. So 'di ba? If that's how you can survive in the fast-pacing or fluctuating economy of the Philippines, bakit hindi, 'di ba? It's not all about your moral compass anymore. Aanhin mo yung morality mo, and then nagugutom ka, 'di ba? So poverty driven. Hindi naman siya crime kasi paghubad, I don't think paghuhubad online is a crime. Well, tama ba? Crime ba siya sa Philippines? Kasi 'di ba may cyber crime ba ang makipaghubad-hubad or ano? Kasi 'di ba alam mo napaka-plastic talaga ng mga Filipino, 'di ba? I mean, we have a high standard or moral compass, high standard talaga yung morality natin. Well, ang katotohanan diyan, number 1 pa tayong Pornhub user. Diba? Parang, my God, it defeats the concept of morality. Tapos tayo yung number 1 user ng diba? Pornhub. Kung wala ako sa Facebook, baka nasa Twitter ako. Nagkalat. Yung lang naman. Sige. Shoutout mo naman, kaibigan ko. Shoutout to Fukimo Mikoto. Konnichiwa, tama. Ang tanga-tanga. So there. Konnichiwa, shoutout to Fukimo Mikoto. Mikoto? Ay! Shit! What the Oh my God! Yawa ka dong! Halalain lagi siya! Basto! Hala! Basto! Bastos kasi, Jay! Hala! Sorry po, guys. Let me read it again. Shout out to Fukmo Mikoto. Oh, yeah, sounds social. Sounds like clean. Fukmikoto, you shampoo. So no koto, huh? You shampoo when you legal. So no koto, Fukmo, okay? Hindi ko talaga na-realize na that was bait, Pokemon.